Shihab's question is very generic. Is da'wah compulsory? What is the meaning of da'wah? Da'wah is calling people to Islam. So is it compulsory for me when I'm walking down the Champs-Élysées, or if I'm working in Regent Park or whatever, whomever I see, I stop and give them leaflets and accept Islam. Allah would put you in hell if you don't. If you accept Islam, you will get so many wives. If you get Islam, Allah Azza wa Jalla will make your husband so and so. Is this compulsory upon me? The answer is no. But da'wah is a far broader term. What I'm doing now is da'wah. If I go to the gym and work out and I see someone and we just talk casually, I would probably put a word here or there that highlights the beauty of Islam. If I take a cab to take me from point A to point B and he's non-Muslim, I would use anything to just highlight that the beauty of my religion. Once I was traveling in some country and I was with an associate who's an Arab, and the driver was not an Arab. So we were talking about something, and then I stopped him and I said to the driver, excuse me, we are talking about so and so, but we are using Arabic. So do you permit us to continue? And the driver was shocked. Said, of course, why are you asking me? I said, because in our religion, it is prohibited for two to speak in seclusion while the third is there with them. They have to either join him in or take his permission. This is what the Prophet of Islam taught us. So the guy was impressed. By this is da'wah. Being truthful, being kind, being brave, being generous, this is da'wah. Allah Azza wa Jal says, وَمَنْ أَحْسَنُ قَوْلًا مِمَّنْ دَعَا إِلَى اللَّهِ. There is no one better in rhetoric than he who calls others to Allah, does righteous deeds, and proclaims, I am among the Muslims. You're proclaiming that being a Muslim and doing righteous deeds, never lying, never cheating, never doing something negative, this is the best form of da'wah. Not only limited to a lecture or a TV program or a leaflet that you give, street da'wah, etc. These are all signs, but not the actual da'wah. And I hope this answers your question.